If you let me hear you say my name.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a makeover in my laundry area. To those who do not know, my laundry is in my garage, and we found out we cannot build a room in our garage for it will drop the value of our home into a one-car garage. So we decided to leave it alone and just make this area a little bit more warm and pleasant for myself. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, with a top loader, my cabinets were a bit too low and too big. I was not able to open top loader all the way and it was a bit uncomfortable. So I decided to take off one cabinet over the top loader and build some shelves. But first I will paint the wall with the paint that I already have, and then I will install the shelves. It took me about 3 days to get everything done in this area. I hope you guys will enjoy this little makeover that I have going on in here.
Even though it's dark some days, I know blue skies are coming our way. Yeah, yeah. Everything will be okay, 'cause no one else can make me feel this way. Yeah, I'm completely satisfied, right, as long as you're by my side. So if you love me, let me hear you say my name, my name. If you love me, let me hear you, babe. I just wanna fall into your arms. Come on and fall in love with me, with me. I can be the one to turn your life around and never let you down. So please, let me hear you say my name, name. You say name, name. You say, let me hear you say my name. You say, let me hear you say my name. You say, you say, let me hear you say my name. You say, let me hear you say my name.
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart, 'cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. 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 It's alright, so.
I found this beverage dispenser at Bed Bath & Beyond. With this makeover, I tried to stay on a budget under $100, and I spent only $75, and that includes the brackets, shelves, dispenser, bins, and do-it-yourself curtain for the boiler.
It's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart, 'cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before.
And to hide the boiler, I have used a do-it-yourself curtain rod out of a hula hoop, and I used a canvas drape cloth as a curtain. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my laundry area makeover, and please give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel, and do not forget to subscribe, share, comment. Until next time, bye.
Alright.